Have you ever thought of if there is a way that you can plot all your previous production incidents or your test cases or your defects, your feature enhancements into one single graph? Well, why it is important, you can ask. The thing is, every tester or any developer is almost always burdened by the growing volume of production incidents, legacy test cases, or defects. And sometimes they actually carry a lot of good information that is needed for making an informed decision about some test gaps or some potential issue that could have been leaked into production or some emergency hotfix or patch testing. So today I'm going to show you a new functionality of Orange Pro where you can see a graph with have all the different artifacts together. So let's select a query. We have imported a project from GitHub, which is called Whitefly. And you can see here the bug is being plotted across all the different artifacts like bugs or enhancement, some upgrade or feature requests. And you can actually move this around. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can see the proximity of different bugs together. The real value of this visual proximity is how you can visualize the data in such a form that can immensely help a tester to see and identify the hotspots and see where the test gaps are. So for example, if you click a defect, this defect will show up here with all the description and comments. And let's say a tester wants to fix this bug for a hot fix and wants to generate the test cases. So what he has to do is click a button and the system will generate the test cases for that user. Now the good thing is about all those test cases is that these test cases are not baby test cases that otherwise you would see in many of the generative AI testing solutions. These cases have the inside knowledge of all the previous incidents and defects, so it makes sure that the test case it generates is a new and novel test case. These test cases you see here are generated in few seconds, and the good thing about those test cases are these test cases actually can be exported into any third-party test management system like Rally or Jira or test rails. And then also, there is a way to chat in real time about those test cases. So you can ask a question that, okay, tell me why this test failed. Why test we need to investigate the passage incorrect test conditions, flakiness in the test, bug in the application. So as you provide more contextual information to this chatbot, it can take the relevant information from all the previous incidents and defects and test cases and provide you accurate assessment of why this test case has been failed. And finally, there is a way to thumbs up and thumbs down, and that is our way to create a loop, a feedback loop for our model to become smarter over time. So let's say if we create a test case and the tester do not like the test case, they can do a thumbs down. So the next time when we generate the test cases, we make sure that we keep this input as keep this feedback in the model memory. So next time you will not find those test cases and you will find much better and context aware test cases. Thank you.